Pre-intermediate 4. The benefits and risks of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept from science fiction movies. It's a reality that's transforming our world. From voice assistants on our phones to algorithms that predict our shopping preferences, AI is integrated into almost every part of our lives. One of the main benefits of AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data much faster than a human ever could. In medicine, for example, AI tools are helping doctors to diagnose diseases like cancer with higher accuracy, which can save thousands of lives. In the transportation sector, self-driving cars have the potential to reduce accidents caused by human error. Despite these advantages, many experts have expressed concerns about the potential risks of AI. One major worry is the loss of jobs. As machines become more intelligent, they may replace humans in various industries, leading to high unemployment rates. Another issue is the ethical use of data. Since AI systems learn from existing information, they can sometimes develop biases that result in unfair treatment of certain groups of people. Furthermore, there is a long-term fear that AI could become too powerful for humans to control. Therefore, it's essential for governments and scientists to work together to create safe and ethical guidelines for AI development. We must ensure that technology serves humanity and does not become a threat to our society.